If you're having issues launching Minecraft with the exit code 1 appearing, well, there could be plenty of issues that could be causing that. Mojang aren't great about explaining exactly what could be causing these issues, and there's plenty of different reasons why exit code 1 specifically could be appearing, but here's all the most basic troubleshooting steps you can take. By far the easiest first thing you can do is just to reinstall the Java runtime environment. That can be done by going to this website. However, it could also be that the location of the Java executable could have been changed, so here's exactly how to fix that. First off, go into the Minecraft launcher and then go onto installations. Then go onto the latest release or whichever version of the game you play, and then select edit. From there, go on to more options and select browse in the Java executable section. Then find your Java installation folder, which by default should be in your program files x86, Java, JRE, and the version number, and bin. Then just select the Java executable and click open. Then just apply the changes and relaunch the Minecraft launcher. If that hasn't helped, you may want to change the actual path for the Minecraft launcher itself. In order to do that, right click on the Minecraft launcher icon and then go onto properties. And then under the shortcut tab, go on target and then add this string at the very end. Make sure to not replace what's already there, rather just append this to the end of it. Another thing you can do is just update your GPU drivers and see if that fixes the issue. Now this will vary slightly depending on if your graphics card comes from Nvidia, AMD or Intel, but for the most part you can just go to the manufacturer's website and select the drivers for your specific graphics card. Alternatively, they all offer special apps which you can download, which will automatically alert you when new drivers are available and allows you to install them directly from the app. No need to go to the website. Finally, if you play with mods, it could be that one of them is interfering or isn't compatible anymore and could be causing this issue. So try and launch the game without any mods and then see if that helps. If it does, then you know that one of them is the culprit. So just by trial and error, start re-adding mods back in by going into the mods folder until the game stops working again, at which point you know exactly which mod or mods are at fault. So that's pretty much all of the basic troubleshooting steps you can take to fix exit code 1 in Minecraft. So if you found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.